Hey guys, we are going to put this Raven lantern together. This is a big guy, and everything is pretty tight fitting, so just go easy, be really gentle, get someone to help you if you need it. Unfortunately, my favorite coffee cup is not going to work to put this together. My least favorite part of doing these videos is getting this camera set up so that you guys can kind of see everything as I'm doing it. So I'm not going to move the camera. I'm just going to come down here and say hello. Hope you guys are having a good day. So let's get started. Piece number 1 with the slit at the top. Piece number 2 with the slit at the bottom. When I'm off camera, this goes together a lot easier. When I'm on camera, I seem to keep messing it up, so bear with me. We're going to slide this number 1 piece through the Raven's head. Kind of get that notch in there on the bottom and hold with tension. I'm going to slide piece number 2, the one with the slit on the bottom, so it's kind of crisscrossed across piece number 1 and the Raven itself. And then this pointed in should go up through. Slide that back down in there. Again, it may help to have someone help you, especially if you can't see both sides, since this is a pretty big guy. For all of you out there that have struggled putting these together, I wanted to show you myself struggling at least one time. All right, so we've got the pieces in there. As you can see too, there's this engraving mark here in here that you'll see in the file. The eye I actually painted in with just a little dot of white paint. I thought it stood out a little more. So we're going to go ahead and put the bottom piece on. Again, I left these unpeeled just so it's easier for you guys to see it. But I'm going to slide that in. I usually get it on the main body first, and then I kind of jiggle it down until everything is fit up and aligned with the slots. Once I'm done that, I'm going to hold that tight. It's going to hold all the pieces in place. I'm going to go ahead and do it with the top one. Again, I'm going to line it up to the main body first. Hopefully, kind of jiggle it, and then it snaps in. You can see that it's in on the top and the bottom. I'm still going to hold it while I go ahead and start putting these pieces in. These are, again, a nice tight fit, so the top and bottom will hold with tension. Little trick is to bend it toward you when you're sliding them in. Makes it a little easier. Same when you slide in the top, especially for the first one, which is always the challenging one. And you've got it in. Pull your tab top, pull your tab bottom, and then assemble the rest. So I had a few people ask me how I get my lights to turn on and off when it's closed, and I kind of cheat. I will leave one of these out, put my light in. Oh, by the way, I got these little pucks at my local Dollar Tree. Great find. They're a lot brighter than the tea light candles. But I'll drop it in there, and then I just kind of tuck this guy under without putting him through the slot. And that way it's just easier to get my lights on and off, and especially with this one, it's kind of on the back so no one can see it, and it lines up pretty well. So there you guys go. There is our Raven lantern that you folks asked for. Feel free to resell these once you've made them. You've got plenty of time to sell them for Halloween. I think they're awesome. Smoky Hill has a ton of these different design lenses or their flex material. Their stuff has been great. I haven't ripped any, I haven't torn it, so I'm really happy with that. I know there are other places out there that make this type of stuff too, so feel free to use your own vendor. And like and subscribe our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, and I'll start announcing there when our new files will be available. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.